Listen to the tears of a dying child. Did you hear that sound? Listen. Did you hear it now? That's the sound of babies crying. That's the sound of babies dying. Listen. Do you hear their tears? Can you hear what they are asking? Why are we crying? Why are we dying? Why is our innocent soul now lies cold? Listen. Can you hear the silent words? Calling to a man, a people, a country, asking why? Why are we crying? Listen. Can you hear the sound of falling tears, staining the space they once laughed and played? Listen. Can you hear their silent voice asking why? Why us? Asking, did we cry too loud? Did we disturb you? If so, please forgive us now, even as our souls now scattered through a land where other babies will cry and die like us. Please, sir, will you forgive us now, right now, as you turn a deaf ear to our final tears? Forgive us, sir, for any hurt we may have caused. Listen, that's the tears of a dying child. Tears now a crescendo, echoing through the atmosphere. Listen.